If you're planning to use the KAST card, it's important to understand its fee structure. The card comes in different tiers, and each tier has its own pricing and benefits. A user of KAST Card honest reviews. So, when I try to sign up with the KAST app, it just throws weird errors. Doesn't matter if I use mobile, email, or sign in with Google. Can you share where you are located? The standard plan is free and includes 5% cashback, a Visa Platinum card, and 2 free cards, either virtual or physical. The premium plan costs $1,000 per year. It gives you 2% cashback, a Visa Infinite card, plus 1% in KAST points on all spending. And the private plan costs $10,000 per year. With this plan, you get 3% cashback, 2% in KAST points, and a premium gold-plated Visa Infinite card. Also, if you want to sign up for KAST, you can use our code from the description below to get started. Crypto. KAST is a global crypto platform that works as an exchange, wallet, and Visa card system all in one. It lets you buy, sell, trade, stake crypto, and also spend it using a prepaid crypto. KAST Visa Card. A user of crypto, KAST honest reviews. Very happy. And I truly like the seamless option to use 3 apps, so any needs are filled. Crypto, KAST Card with the normal app. Buying coins cheaper using the exchange app, and if I want to hold the coins myself, I can use the on-chain app. The live price of Chrono CCRO, the native cryptocurrency of crypto. KAST is approximately 0.0000080 USD, with a 24-hour trading volume of around 17M 21M. The token has shown a slight decrease of about 2% to 3% in the last 24 hours. Also, if you want to start using crypto, KAST, don't forget to sign up to our link or use our referral code in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.